My beauties, how are you? Welcome to my channel. Guess what? Today we have a visit to Dubai Mall, the biggest mall of the world. I am very excited to show you because I'm sure a lot of people I like to visit. So, shopping, Christmas shopping, gifts. Let's see what we will find. Biggest mall of the world, located in Burj Khalifa in the center of Dubai and accommodating all the brands of the world. I swear guys, till now 20 years I never finished walking in all the malls. I have never explored all the malls because it's really huge and it takes hours. I think I'm finding myself always in the same corners, in the same places where I know and I know how to go. So let's see what we will find today. 3 floors of stores, but we are talking about a huge mall. If you need to start from the ground floor, I think you need 2 days only to finish it. I'm coming here, I really am craving for my favorite coffee, Tim Hortons. It's the nearest place where I can have it, and it's the nearest place for me to, to like to come. So going down so I can reach to the Fashion Avenue where are all the favorite brands. But Gucci. Outside of Tory Burch, and I really love to stop here because I see the new collection, which is super wow. I need to find some small gifts for my sister and my cousins, so I don't know how I will end up today. I need to make a research first and create my wish list, but those are really very cute card holders or coin holders. But see this one, I think I have to go inside. Collection from outside was calling me, but this one also is very cute. Reminds a very famous brand, like a coin purse, right? Coin or card?
Yes.
Purse.
Yeah.
Can you show me a little bit how you make it with a strap? Okay, so this will be for lipstick only and cards. Amazing. Very cute. In brown and in black, right? Super cute. And what was calling me from outside was this beauty. Oh my god. I love this one. Can I try it? Look at this cutie here. Very cute. So small, but I like the big yellow gold cross. I think it's very nice. And I can use it for body. Super for night outing. I love it. So let's see what else I will see. super beautiful. It's a croco finishing. I love the color. Gold plated chain means it will not tarnish, it will not lose the gold color. Go next. Louis Vuitton. I don't think that I can enter inside with the phone. They are not allowing. I will try to check if my essay is inside, so we can just check some items. Maybe see if there are some super hot stuff. I'm lucky because my essay is here and we are going to have a fun. See what I found here. One of the most hard to find keyboard with the lights, right? This is with the lights?
Yes.
It's one of the most hard.
This one is like now it's taking orders. We have this one to let the client to have a look in the real.
So it's not for sale?
It's not for sale. It's just
Wow.
for the client.
The client. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Very nice.
It's the exclusive one. They made it for the Dubai Mall opening.
Oh, really?
Only one in the world. They have this. Beautiful pieces.
Very beautiful.
It has a pinkish with a little bit like shimmering gold one. And also the size is good for crossbody and the evening bags.
You listen, ladies. Only in Dubai. Dying for this one, and I'm sure going to try it. Let's see how it will look like. So what we can say, I love it, I love it. I feel princess, I feel queen. This is the best monogram. Here's, and this dress is from the new collection, the Games On. I love the colors, I love the cut, it's like alpha cut with monogram and the flowers. And the fabric is very, very good quality. It tights the body, my size is perfect. And I'm dying, oh my god, my wish list, #1 to get. What do you think about the collection? Tell me in the comments. Did you bought this one? Who has it? I wish that I could take it mine. They're so cute. I'm a fan of it again. I'm very happy. I got my first gift, and what I got, the Christmas packing. It's super. My crazy me. I have my pom pom in my Truth 23. I love it. So let's go to the next. Or it's closing time? What's going on? Oh my god. I think I came late today. Maybe I had enough. So let's go for the favorite coffee. Tim Hortons. Yeah! Here I am with my favorite coffee in Dubai Mall. Very soon, waiting for the fountains to come, so I will show you back. Let me to enjoy till the dance will start. And here we go with the famous fountains of Dubai Mall. Just in Burj Khalifa.